Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Grabe, nandito kami ngayon sa airport and we're going to the Philippines and napakatanga ko, nakalimutan ko yung e-travel. So ngayon, boarding na kami in just a few minutes and nagkakahumahog kami na gumawa ng e-travel. So, huwag nyo kong gagayahin Ang haba-haba ng time namin kaninang umaga. Tapos, upon check-in, tsaka ko lang nalaman na kailangan nga pala. Oh my God. Yung buti na lang, medyo mabilis lang yung pagko-code. Yan. So, good luck na lang, no? Itong isa, yan, may problema sa kanyang, hindi siya sa kanyang details, nakakainis.
Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. Now inviting passengers seated in Zone 2 and 3. Zone 2 and 3 to board your right-hand side boarding line. Thank you.
Haley, are you excited? Are you excited to go to the Philippines? So what's the very first thing you want to do when we go back there? When we get there?
Eat potato corner.
Potato corner! Wait for Haley. She will, she will buy later. Goodbye to the cold weather of Taiwan, and now we're saying hi to the hot weather of the Philippines. Welcome to Manila. Yan, so medyo nagsawa na kami sa lamig sa Taiwan. So dito muna kami maghahagis ng lagim. Ano ba 'yun? Basta dito muna kami. So our first itinerary for today is 行程是什么?
We're gonna go to the mall and then we're gonna get potato corner.
Yes, her favorite. She missed the potato corner. So, alika, kain tayo. Punta muna tayo sa mall. Guys, ito yung nakita naming internet dito. For 15 days, only 500. Ayan, so itatry natin. Kasi sa mahal sa Smart tsaka sa Globe. Yes, since sandali lang naman tayo dito sa Pinas, itatry natin siya. Sabi natin, malakas daw yan. Anywhere in the Philippines, right? Sino may-ari nitong dito?
Chinese ang may-ari nito, ma.
Okay. China. From China pala to. Okay. Yan, di bali yung attendant na tutulong sa atin mag-register kasi medyo madugo ang registration ngayon pagdating sa SIM card. Mobile. Ayan. So, we tried this one. So, for 15 days, only 500. So, medyo mabilis daw ang kanyang internet. Shoot, yan Ayan, so itatry natin tong it's from China daw. And for 15 days, it's 500. I'm in the video. I'm doing a video. Ayan, so we bought a 15 days connection for 500. If you want 30 days, it's 1,000. So friends, we're finally here! Nagsawa kami sa lamig kaya ito dito muna kami magpapainit. Hao chi ma? Yes. So, ayan friends, home sweet home. So, papahinga muna kami. At grabe ang pagod. From Taiwan to Manila. Good night!
On our second day, nagpa-parlor ako agad with my sister. Hair color plus manicure and pedicure pa. Mas mura kasi dito sa Pilipinas. Imagine, less than 2,000 pesos lang. For 2 na yon ha. If sa Taiwan kasi hair color alone, abutin na ako ng $3,000 NT. Additional pa na 100 to 200 kasi Chinese New Year. This morning, dumating mga cousins ni Hailey. Kaya ayun, may kabanding sila. They will gonna go out daw and go somewhere. Ihatid na lang na kanilang tita and then, pagkatapos, susunduin na lang ulit sila. While me, heto.
Ngayon sa aming veranda and I'm waiting for my friends to pick me up. Kakain kami sa labas and then wala lang kwentuhan. This is one of the things that I look forward to when I come back here in the Philippines. Although meron kaming mga group shots, you know, parang hindi na rin kami nagkahiwalay ng ng 1 year. Pero syempre, iba pa rin pag nagkita-kita kami, yung laughter, diba? Yung mga jokes na talagang on the spot, yung mga ganon. Kasi minsan, pag tumatawag tayo, meron yung hindi okay ang signal, diba? So, ngayon, medyo kararating lang namin kahapon from Taiwan. And now, magkikita na kami kasi medyo sandali lang yung stay namin dito sa Philippines. So, sinusulit talaga namin yung time. Yung anak ko, kasama naman yung mga pinsan niya, they were gonna go out and have a picnic. Ako naman, I will go out tonight with my friends and halika, gusto ko sumama kayo sa amin and pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kami kagulutan. Ang tagal! Diyos ko! Forever! Oh, wait lang! Ang taas naman nito!
Vlogger eh!
Oh my God! Wait.
Di ba sabi ko walang ganyan?
Who cares?
Ayan!
Ang tagal! Grabe! Hello! Ay, ba't pinatay?
Lahat kami naka-vlog.
Ayan. Finally, nagkita-kita rin ulit. Again, ayan na naman. Tagal, Diyos ko, forever.
You deserve it.
Bago naman pala, kaya nanundo.
My friends and I ended up dining out at Mama Luz, an Italian restaurant. Grabe, ang sarap ng pizza. Very recommended. And while I'm having fun and chika with my friends, eto, si Hailey naman is also having fun with her cousins. Picnic at the park, and of course, hindi mawawala ang kanilang TikTok dance. Umaga pa lang dumating na yung iba naming cousins. Wala lang, nagpagkulitan. Na-miss daw nila kami ni Hailey. I also gave them the pasalubong from Taiwan, mga pineapple cakes and mochi. Pero syempre, ang hanap nila, the red envelope.
We're on our third day here in Manila. Grabe, ang init.
Grabe, it's so hot.
Pinagpapawisan ng kilikili ko kahit hindi ako gumagalaw.
You say Senit. Senit. Yeah, it's Masenit.
It's Masenit out here.
Masenit out here.
Hailey, mainit ba? Mainit?
Yes.
Masenit.
Mainit. Grabe. Sabi namin, alis kami ng Taiwan to escape the cold.
Wow, we're here.
And we're here in Manila and we want to escape the hotness. Ang init. Grabe. And today it's Sunday, so we're going to the church. Pupunta kami sa St. Clair, Cabuyao para mag-alay ng itlog.
After 40 minutes of travel, we arrived here at St. Clair. It is my very first time again after 10 years. For those of you who want to visit, make a wish, or make a donation, it is located in Cabuyao and opens from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hi youngsters! Good morning! So this is our 4th day here in Manila and grabe ang init. Mainit pa rin talaga. But anyways, yesterday hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi sobrang pagod namin. So after namin magpunta ng St. Clair, Cabuyao, bumalik kami ng Alabang and then pumunta naman kami ng sa may Daang Hari to pick up Hailey kasi she went to MOA. Tapos yung mga friends nila, yung mga nakilala niyang friends sa mga previous na pasyal namin dito sa Philippines. So yun, so nag-reunion. Yun nga, nagpunta sila sa MOA, nag-enjoy sila doon and then we just met them sa somewhere in Daang Hari. I forgot the name of the mall. So doon na lang namin sila inantay. So late na kami masyado nakauwi. So hindi ko na kayo na update. But anyways, today our 4th day, pupunta naman kami ngayon sa mga pamangkin ko. Kami manggugulo sa kanila. Diba? We're gonna stay there for about 2 or 3 days siguro. And then pasyal-pasyal, catch up on things. And then back to Manila kami. Dito na naman ulit kami manggugulo. So halika guys, samahan nyo kami. And makigulo tayo dun sa bahay ng kapatid ko. We went to visit my other pamangkins and dito muna kami for a couple of days. Wala lang, makipag-bond sa mga kids. Grabe, ang bilis lumaki ng mga bata. 1 year ko lang silang hindi nakita. Now, ang kulit-kulit na talaga. So, there you go friends. What a nice 4 days in the Philippines. Ang dami agad happenings. Although mainit here the truth is we're loving it. So see you around friends. This is Jia Yang, your friend from Taiwan, now here in Manila with love.